Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to effectively manage app permissions on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Go into Settings and search for Security and Privacy. Now go into More Privacy Settings and here search for Permission Manager. Here we can, for example, click on Camera and see Allowed only in use, allowed all the time, and not allowed. When we want to disallow, for example, accessibility, then we just click it. Oh, this device require, okay. So we want to allow the Facebook. Then we click and allow only while using. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.